Years of neglect have taken a toll on this BMW M3 E46.
This BMW M3 E46 was once a performance icon, and today we begin its complete restoration journey.
The BMW M3 E46 enters the workshop for a full teardown.
Underneath the BMW M3 E46, hidden damage starts to appear.
The BMW M3 E46 is stripped down part by part.
The heart of the BMW M3 E46 is carefully removed.
Years of oil and dirt are washed away from the BMW M3 E46.
Every BMW M3 E46 engine component is inspected in detail.
The BMW M3 E46 engine is rebuilt for peak performance. The rust removal reveals the true structure of the BMW M3 E46. Weak metal is replaced to restore the BMW M3 E46's strength.
Primer protects and seals the BMW M3 E46 body.
Color restores the aggressive beauty of the BMW M3 E46.
The BMW M3 E46 engine returns to its rightful place.
The interior of the BMW M3 E46 is restored to factory quality.
Every final detail completes the BMW M3 E46 restoration.
From forgotten to flawless to connect, the